Is your computer running slow? If you are noticing a significant drop in the processing speed and startup time, it's time to take some actions to help out your poor PC. Here are our 5 suggestions to make your PC work faster than before. And by the way, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and also don't forget to click the bell icon. Without taking much time, let's get started. Number 1. Startup programs. Startup programs are something which loads automatically when your PC is turned on. This might have a very high impact, making your PC slow to boot. Hence, you will need to disable it to decrease your PC boot up time. To do that, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and choose Startup. Disable everything other than what you feels to be necessary. Here, I want my Intel Graphics Command Center to get startup along with my Windows, so I have disabled everything other than that. To disable, just click on Disable. You can notice the improvement in the boot up speed. Number 2. System boot configurations. Sometimes the Windows tends to underestimate your hardware components. Sometimes you could see only your part of the RAM is regarded as usable. To check that, you can go to Task Manager and check in performance for the usable RAM. If you have 8GB RAM, and you should see 7.9 or 8GB as usable. Similarly, if you have 4GB RAM, then it should be 3.9GB approximately. If you see any values lower than that, then go to Run and type msconfig. Make sure that you have selective startup and go to Boot tab. Choose Advanced option and select maximum memory if unselected. Enter your RAM capacity in megabytes. Say for an example, I have 8GB RAM, so I am entering 8192 megabytes and choose the maximum number of processors present. In some cases, the maximum threads will not be used by Windows. Click on Apply and Restart. Go to Task Manager to see if this increases your usable memory. If this still didn't work, again go to msconfig and go to Boot tab. Click on Advanced and deselect the maximum memory and restart. This might work. Solution 3. Clearing temporary files. Having space in hard disk is very important. There is something called search indexing. Windows uses this feature to quickly access files. This feature of Windows scans all the files stored in our hard disk regularly, which in turn uses up much memory and processing power. So cleaning up the temporary files or having low storage in hard disk minimize the computing time for search indexing. So you can clear your temporary files by going to Run and just type temp. Permanently delete all the files. And some files might not delete, just ignore by clicking on skip. Similarly, type %temp% and clear all files. Solution 4. Change to SSD. If you are using an hard disk and if you are not satisfied with the previous solutions, then it's time for you to change to SSDs. SSDs are much more faster than normal hard disk. The operational speed of an SSD is at least 6 times faster than a traditional mechanical hard disk. SSDs are of two types, SATA SSD and PCIe NVMe SSD. SATA SSDs are faster than regular hard drive, but it is limited to 600 Mbps. If your lap or PC motherboard supports NVMe SSD, then I would recommend you to get that for your device, as it would be as fast as 3 to 4 terabytes per second. Solution 5. Even after using SSD, if you still feel that your device is slow, then it is time to reset your PC. You can reset your PC by going to Settings, Update and Security, and Recovery, and under Reset your PC, click on Get Started. This will delete all your applications and its settings, but you have an option to keep your user files such as pictures, documents, music, videos, etc. You can also reinstall fresh Windows. Even after reinstalling Windows, if you still feel that your device is slow, then you definitely need to upgrade your PC. You could alternatively try and install Chrome OS if you are a very casual user and use your device just for browsing and multimedia. Let me know what all issues you guys face with Windows 10, and I promise that I'll try to upload a solution video for that if it is resolvable. Thank you guys, have a nice day.